Everybody, welcome to another episode of Vegan Vibes. It's your girl, Eitwanda, and yes, we're back again with another episode. Now, everybody has been requested for this particular dish, and this is the vegan tuna fish. Yes, it is here. I'm so excited to share with you guys. It is very easy, it's quick, and it's versatile. Look, say no more. Just check out the video. I'm excited to show y'all, so let's get into it. These will be all of the ingredients that we will use to make our dish. First, we take the 2 cans of garbanzo beans and drain and rinse them out thoroughly. Next, take the beans and place them inside your food processor. Now, if you do not have a food processor, then you can mash them up with a spoon, but I personally prefer buying a food processor. It is simply just easier and faster. Make sure you pulse to your liking evenly too. Then place the peppers and onions inside the food processor and chop them to your liking. Now, I really love this food processor. It is just the best. And in this video, I decided to chop mine up real fine. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. I got button happy, but it still turned out good. Next, pour everything inside of a big mixing bowl. Now for the ingredients. You'll need 4 tablespoons of vegan mayo. I really love this brand of mayo, y'all. It's really creamy and sweet. 2 tablespoons of yellow mustard. 2 tablespoons of organic sweet relish. And you can't forget to add your pink Himalayan sea salt and black pepper. And that's to your liking. Once you add all of your ingredients, take a spoon and mix this all the way up. This is where the magic happens, y'all, like for real. This is my favorite go-to meal because it's so quick and easy. And of course, it's healthy. Now, if you want to make it more of like a fishy taste, then I recommend that you add some seaweed to your ingredients. But I personally don't care for that taste. There you have it. It tastes as great as it looks. Don't believe me? Just watch. Now, I like to make my sandwich with multigrain bread, some tomatoes, and some spring mix. But you can make it into a dip with chips. It's very versatile, so you can eat it by itself. You can do it with cucumbers, crackers. It's a very good dip. Anything you do, doesn't matter. It tastes great. Well, there it was, you guys. I hope y'all really enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. It is very important that y'all keep watching. I post every Monday, MooreWithEMondays. Also, please remember to subscribe. Click that button down below and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on those notifications because every Monday I'm going to upload something new. Like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. It's important. Let me know what you like about it, what you didn't like about it, something that you want me to do next week. I'm ready, you guys. Stay vegan, stay healthy, and keep shining and stay positive. It's your girl, Eitwanda, and this is Vegan Vibes. I'm out.